In this video, we're going to talk about Instagram something went wrong, please try again later. When you get into a fiction like this one, you need to go into your Play Store and then you need to go for Instagram selection. And right from here, guys, you need to check your latest section for it. As you can see right here, I have the latest version of my Instagram because right here on my green side selection, I don't have an option which is called update. I have an option which is open. If you have the option which is update, that means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram and you need to get it by Play Protect, which is the most safest way to get to the full appointment. After you get done with that selection, simply what you can do on your right session, it is going to your settings on your phone. Just go for it and simply scroll down, find for applications on the search box. Without wasting any time, you simply type for Instagram, and then when you get done with that selection, you simply need to go right down and go for permissions, and the location setup needs to be turned on.